Hi and welcome to another video. My name is James and today we're going to be talking about iMovie and some simple instructions of how you can make your movies for YouTube and some ways that you can convert them into an MP4 file faster, so therefore it will download quicker onto YouTube. We're going to go to the computer now to explain.
One-on-one on how to use iMovie, and the best way really to learn is just to play with it. But let me just give you some basic ideas to try to help you. I've already put in to this bit here, you can see the mouse there, a picture which I created on PowerPoint and a couple of videos. I'm not going to have the volume there. What I'm going to do, I want this at the beginning, so all you need to do is drag this down to there. If you don't want to fine tune it, you can go to settings here and you can make it a bit smaller. So I'm going to put it about there, that is fine. But when you play the movie, it's actually going to, you can see, you can move the movie like that. It's going to have this sort of like filter effect. Annoying, yeah? So you don't want that, you can just go like that. Or you can crop to fit how you want to do it, and you can just move the mouse around. Next one, I'm going to put a video in, so just this one here. So if you see the movie so far, let's just move it along. You can just press play or the space bar and it will go like that.
Hi and welcome to another video.
There we go. But you don't want that beginning bit because the video is edited, so all you need to do is get like this and you can just delete it like that and it will just go up to the vocal bit of the movie. Pretty simple. If you want to add a title, you just hit the titles page and, for example, you want this title, and then all you do is drag it down to here, go to the screen here and you can see what you can do. Just click it. Then you can go, hi, my name is da da da. Then you can use the bottom bit and you can put in something else. Just delete description, put hello. Be careful here, so you've got to make sure it stays in there. And you can check if you go down here. If you want it throughout the movie, just extend it like this. Pretty easy to do. So now you can see my description is there. If you want to have any transition in between, you can. You can go to transition. Let's say you want cross dissolve, and all you need to do is drag it down to there. So in between the picture and in between your video, it will have a short transition there. Pretty simple. Maybe you don't want to use the audio, so you can highlight that just by clicking on it and then a double click on your pad or right click on your mouse and you can take away the audio. It comes up there. Now it is all silent. If you want to add audio, now I wouldn't recommend using audio here because it goes to iTunes and it starts to slow down, etc, etc. What I would do is get something that you created already, make sure it's legal to use, especially if you are going to do this on YouTube, then maybe some YouTube music. And then you can just do exactly the same. Go to My Media, you can put it into this box here, and then you can drag it down. And you drag it to the bottom bit of the movie. Okay? If you want to edit your movie, this is another thing that you can do. You can do something called a split clip. How do you get there? Quite simply, it's a two-finger click on your pad or a right click on your mouse, and then you can move this bit along. So you can add or anything you want. But if you play it, it's exactly the same. You don't see anything different there. You can see on the screen, but then you can edit this bit as well. So now it won't be so fluent, it will jump to the next page like that. Got it? So what I would do, I drag everything, I create everything on my desktop, and then I would drag it over to this media box and then just take it down from here to the player. Once you've done that, you can go to projects. You can type in what you want, blah, 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 like that, and that is the name of your movie. It will go to this page. Highlight it, go here, share project, rename project. If you're not happy with it, you can open a project as well. And that, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls, is some basic things of what you can do on iMovie. Again, play with it. I've just shown you some of the basics there as well. But it can actually make really good movies for you, and it's really simple to use. It's a stepping stone for when you want to use Final Cut Pro, because you're understanding how to make movies. There's lots of other features there, and it's great if you have a mouse and you have a trackpad, because you can use two hands at the same time, so you can be faster to do the movie and efficient. It's not perfect. Sometimes there are mistakes with iMovie, sometimes it will crash, but the good thing is it saves absolutely everything. Thank you very much, enjoy, and I will say bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me, and I hope this little video has helped. Do have a wonderful day, and as always, the traditional message at the end to like, share, subscribe, comment. Be good to each other.